Working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
Today I want to walk you guys through my dyeing process. I have grays occasionally pop up and I hate them showing through, so I'm going to use this Dark and Lovely fade resistant permanent jet black dye. If you're like me and you're not really crazy about the 1B or off brown hair colors, and then also you have like these stubborn grays that pop up, this is a good quick easy dye process to you know, cover that up. Unfortunately, my camera cut off when I was actually putting the dye in, but I sectioned it off into 4 sections, and then I started with the front because that's where the grays are, so you want to start wherever the grays are. Put it in each section, combed it through, and then put 4 knots in my hair and then put them up with clips. In this clip here, I am using coconut oil to rub off the excess dye that's on my skin, my ears, you know, my forehead, things like that, because we're going to let this dye sit. And again, I'm sorry guys that I wasn't able to record me putting this in, but this is how it looks. So I use the coconut oil to get all that off so that my skin isn't stained when I'm ready to style my hair. Then you're going to put on your plastic cap. Once the dye is in good and your hair is pinned up, you're going to let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Obviously, the longer, the better. Then you're going to take it off and your hair should be good to go. Just make sure when you're actually putting the dye in that you're working it through, you know what I mean, a good amount. And then once you take the dye out, you rinse it with cold water and then you're done. I want to show you guys how my scalp, or my, you know, the grays that are close to my scalp, where they were, how they disappeared. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to actually film the part of me applying the dye, because I feel like that's the most important part, but I still wanted to share this video with you guys because it really works. So you see, I showed you a close-up of my scalp, and then I'm just parting it through like I did in the beginning of the video, but now that I've dyed my hair so you guys can see, there is no dye residue in my scalp, so you won't have that look if you know, follow the instructions on the box. I use the Dark and Lovely all the time. I try to dye my hair like 4 times a year, like every 3 months. I don't want to dye it too much, but I do not want grays popping through. And this Dark and Lovely, this video, side note, is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to share my routine to dye my hair. I love the jet black look. It's fresh, and then it's fall time coming up right now. So if you like that black look, jet black is a good look for the fall. So this is my hair now that it's freshly dyed. Guys, stay tuned because I will be filming right after this my DIY twist out. I haven't quite mastered it yet, but I think I have a way to do that, and I want to share it with you guys, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, stay tuned for my twist out DIY video.